Sawyer, what are you doing? Oh, you gotta put them together. Put them up on the table. Sawyer, why don't you get some clothes on and go outside? Noonan will take you to ride it for a minute.
Buddy, it's 20 degrees.
It doesn't matter. Dad got a coat. Ask Mommy where your socks are.
It's like 20 degrees out.
Saul,
Don't take him outside.
say hi. Can you say Merry Christmas? Say Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Say Happy New Year.
Christmas.
Can you throw me a kiss? Throw me a kiss.
Blow him a kiss.
Blow me a
Blow her a
kiss.
kiss. Blow her kisses.